5 cup festive, 5 cup what is it?
5 cup festive fruit loaf.
5 cup festive fruit loaf. Is that right?
Yeah.
5 cup festive, 5 cup festive fruit loaf. Right. Why is it called that?
Because it's got 5 cups of festive in it.
But we've got 3 cups in a bowl and a jug. Should we call it 3 cups, a bowl and a jug festive fruit loaf?
You're an idiot.
So this is a really easy one to make, and funnily enough, they have been giving me all the easy ones because they think I'm dumb and I can't cook, which is probably right. But so this one is a really good one for Christmas, and it's just around the corner. You can almost smell the despair of lunch at your in-laws' house. It's that close. So basically, you just get 5 cups. If you've got 5 cups, you're 2 ahead of us. But you can put all of your ingredients in 5 cups, and that makes it really easy, and that makes the name of the fruit loaf. Really good also is that it will freeze really well. You can keep it in the freezer for up to 3 months, and if you want to keep it for longer than 3 months, it's not festive fruit loaf, it's festy fruit loaf. So maybe 6 months, and you've got some popped in visitors and they want to come and eat some fruit loaf, you get the 6-month-old one out and you give them the festy one, because who wants visitors? I mean, really, who wants visitors? You know, in all of those shows on HGTV, where they're looking at the houses and stuff, they all talk about how they want to have entertaining spaces and they want to have all of these things where people can come and visit. Even one of those tiny house shows, they're going, what if somebody wants to come and stay? It's a freaking caravan. You don't want people staying in your caravan. So look, 6 months old, festive, turned to festy fruit loaf, give them that, they won't come back. Okay, so what you want to do first is mix your dry ingredients. So we've got flour, we've got rolled oats. Can you see that? Rolled oats, yeah, right. Rolled oats, and then we've got brown sugar, and then we've got the grossest thing. Oh no, these aren't the grossest thing, raisins.
Sultanas.
Well, these are sultanas, these aren't raisins, but raisins are grosser than sultanas is what I'm saying. But what about when you have that fruit loaf and it's got little orange peel in it? Anyway, so sultanas and then a cup of milk as well. What you want to do is combine your dry ingredients. And if you're still watching, congratulations, you've made it this far. So in we go with our dry ingredients. I had to ask if this was dry. All right, so then we combine our dry ingredients, just mix them up nicely. So go in here, just mix them up nice, make sure they're nice and combined. Go through there, get that brown sugar to mix with others. All right, oops. This is taking so long, I might fast forward. So once your dry ingredients are all mixed in just lovely, you could probably use your hand if you wanted. You make a well in the centre. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little well in the middle, just in the middle. I can't hold it like that because it all falls into the middle. But anyway, you make a little well into the middle like that. And then you put your milk in, which is 1 cup as well, or 1 cup in a jug for us. Righto. And then, once again, you stir it, make it all nice and combined together to make a festive fruit loaf mix. All right, we know we're there. So what you want to do is you need to have your oven preheated to 160 to 170, and then that's degrees Celsius. We've had some of our American friends go 160 degrees, that's really cold. But yeah, 160 degrees Celsius, and then mix that all together so it looks like this, like that. And then I want to try and bake this low and slow. So low temperature for a longer period of time makes it moist. Makes it moist in the middle. So preheated 160 to 170 and then bake for 45 minutes to an hour. Yeah. Righto. So I'm going to grease and flour this pan because I don't want it to stick, because that's a really embarrassing thing to happen on a video. We don't want that to happen on this one. How good's butter? Butter's good. It's really not fair that the things that taste the best are really bad for you. It's not fair. Like, you can just make sure he's nice and greased up. I'm sure you already know how to do this, but no, well, might as well show you. So heaps of butter in there. Like that, and then we put some flour in and we dust that right around, do it over the sink like that. Beautiful, look at that. Rightio, so now in we go with the mix. Just like that. Like that. And then into the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. Just check on it. You don't want to burn it. You want to cook it really nice and slow to make it moist inside. Rightio, here it is. 5-cup festive fruit loaf. I've practiced and got it right. So that's how it should look on the top. All golden brown and really, really lovely. What are the chances this comes out? Let's see. Righto. Oh. Hey! Look at that. Right. Oh, that's looking really good. It's quite soft. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. I'm genuinely stoked at how that came out. I'm not even kidding. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see if it'll cut. Probably should have let it cool down a little bit first, but anyway, let's have a look. Oh yeah! Look at that! Look at that! If you have seen a 5-cup festive loaf that's better than that, I'd be very surprised. Oh, that's awesome. So you can check out the entire recipe on the website. Actually, you might have even already been in the recipe and now you're watching this video. So congratulations for making it to the end. This looks really, really good. Once again, can't eat it because it's got flour in it and I'm really boring. Merry Christmas.